Hi, this is Doug and Cindy with Elder Law Practice 5cast. Thanks for joining in today. This is a show where we attempt to answer your questions about paying for nursing home or long-term care or any long-term care questions. You know, today we've got a good one. What is the 5-year look-back rule? And this is something that creates a lot of confusion. It's something most people have heard that term, 5-year look-back rule.
5-year look-back rule. So when you're applying for Medicaid to pay for someone's long-term care, from the application date, Department of Human Services, the people that are handling the monies for Medicaid, can look back 5 years into the past to determine if you have given away anything in order to qualify for Medicaid at this point.
You know, some people hear this and they think it's a 5-year penalty. It's not. Think of this as like a picture frame.
Yeah.
And they can see from here to here. That's like a 5-year period. And they can look anywhere in that 5-year period to see if your loved one has made any uncompensated transfers or gifts. And that's what they're looking for during this 5-year period. And if they see them, well, they may impose a penalty period. A lot of lingo, we've talked about each of those elements in different videos, but for today we're talking about the 5-year look-back rule. It's like a 5-year period where they can see things.
And I've had people tell me, you know, Mom gave away $10,000 3.5 years ago. And that was within the 5-year look-back, so she can't qualify for Medicaid. I know she can't. And I'm going, what? She can qualify.
And this is a common misconception.
It is.
People think that, you know, that if just because a transfer was made within 5 years, they think she's automatically disqualified.
Exactly.
It's not true, is it?
It's not true. No. They will calculate the penalty, calculate the amount of money that has been given away, uncompensated transfers, gifts, transfers, penalty period is set, and then they won't pay for her care from the date she qualifies going forward based upon how long that penalty period is because money was given away in the past.
Right. And so the penalty may be for a short period of time, a couple of months, a couple of weeks. It may be for a much longer period of time, you know, a couple of years, depending on what was given away. Yeah. So it's just a period of time that they can look at. 5-year look-back rule, like a 5-year picture frame. They can see what's going on. And some people, another question, well, how do they know? Well,
you tell them.
You tell them. You signed a Medicaid application under penalty of perjury. So you tell them. And, you know, a lot of things like real property transfers, if it's land, that's a recorded deed. So they can look on their computer and find that instantly. And a lot of things is public record. They just know.
A lot of things they have access to.
Yeah.
Also.
And, of course, they require, when you fill out the application, require bank statements. And they can see a lot of this. And you will tell them straight up how it is anyway. So 5-year look-back rule, they can see all of this going on. So I think that's it for today.
For more information on how to protect your assets from the cost of nursing home care or avoiding a penalty period, then click the description below.
Thanks for watching today. We look forward to seeing you again on a future video.